Manchester's nightlife is a world of excitement, and tonight we celebrate our 200th walk through its vibrant streets. From bustling bars to music-filled venues, the city comes alive after sunset. Every street tells a story, with art, performers, and neon lights adding to the experience. The northern quarter, Dean's Gate, and beyond reveal hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a local or visiting for the first time, this walk shows the best of Manchester after dark. Join us for a night full of energy, music, and unforgettable sights in one of the UK's most exciting cities. Manchester nightlife is an electrifying blend of history, culture, music, and energy. And as we embark on this immersive walk through the city streets, the vibrancy of every district becomes immediately apparent, starting from the bustling Piccadilly Gardens where the evening crowd gathers beneath illuminated fountains, couples strolling hand in hand, friends laughing as they decide their night ahead, and street performers drawing small audiences with music, magic, and theatrical performances. The air tinged with the aroma of fresh coffee and street food from nearby vendors, while the distant hum of trams adds a rhythmic backdrop to the urban symphony. Moving northward, the northern quarter beckons with its narrow alleys adorned with colorful murals, graffiti art, and neon signs reflecting Manchester's bohemian spirit, where independent cafes, boutique shops, and eclectic bars line the streets, each offering unique experiences, from specialty cocktails to vinyl record stores, and as live musicians fill the air with acoustic melodies and rhythmic beats, pedestrians are drawn into the sensory tapestry, photographing murals, pausing to watch performers, or simply absorbing the energy of a district that has become synonymous with creativity, diversity, and youthful exuberance. Historic pubs such as the Old Wellington and the Marble Arch provide warm havens, their wooden beams and vintage decor evoking decades of stories, while patrons enjoy craft aleche, cocktails, and traditional fare, accompanied by live bands whose music ranges from indie and rock to jazz and folk, creating spaces where conversation, laughter, and music intertwine seamlessly, offering both locals and visitors a connection to the city's past as they participate in its living culture, with trivia nights, open mic sessions, and themed events providing entertainment that is as dynamic as it is authentic. Stepping further into the city, Canal Street emerges as a beacon of inclusivity and celebration, its rainbow-colored lights reflecting off the canal waters and illuminating a diverse crowd enjoying one of the UK's most iconic LGBTQ+ nightlife districts, where bars spill music into the streets, DJs curate high-energy sets, and outdoor seating areas allow people to relax, converse, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. All while the gentle lapping of the canal adds a serene undertone to the otherwise pulsing energy, and walking along its length reveals the diversity of venues. From intimate lounges to expansive dance clubs, each contributing to a feeling of freedom, acceptance, and joyous self-expression that defines the area. Continuing toward Deansgate Locks, the scene transforms into an industrial chic panorama of nightlife, with glass facades, ambient lighting, and open terraces inviting patrons to socialize over expertly crafted cocktails, international cuisines, and fine wines, while indoor venues pulse with electronic, pop, and indie music, drawing crowds that move effortlessly from one bar to another, each step along the cobbled streets revealing hidden corners, art installations, and subtle architectural details that blend Manchester's industrial heritage with contemporary design, making the journey as visually stimulating as it is sonically. Approaching Spinningfields, the city's upscale nightlife district, elegance permeates the streets with rooftop bars offering panoramic city views, lounges exuding sophisticated ambience, and fine dining establishments that cater to refined tastes, while the soft strains of jazz, curated playlists, and live acoustic sets provide a sonic contrast to the pulsating beats elsewhere, creating a multi-layered nocturnal experience where every sense is engaged, and the polished environment harmonizes with the energy, providing a space for both social interaction and private reflection. Interspersed among these high-energy zones are serene pockets such as hidden gardens, canal-side paths, and quiet terraces where reflections of neon lights shimmer on the water, the hum of distant music blending with natural sounds to create calm interludes, reminding night explorers that Manchester's nocturnal charm is not solely defined by constant activity but also by its capacity for contemplation, beauty, and connection to its historic and architectural roots. Walking further into the heart of the city, landmarks such as St. Peter's Square, the Central Library, and the Midland Hotel punctuate the journey. Their illuminated facades and historical significance offering both aesthetic pleasure and cultural context, while the surrounding streets teem with activity. As taxis drop off groups of friends, pedestrians navigate the crowded sidewalks, and live performers entertain audiences who linger under streetlights, creating moments that feel both spontaneous and orchestrated, capturing the essence of a city alive with life. Oxford Road, one of Manchester's busiest arteries, transforms at night into a corridor of nightlife experiences, where venues like Gorilla and hidden bars under railway arches pulse with music, drawing crowds that reflect the city's diversity, from students and professionals to tourists seeking authentic nocturnal encounters, and the mixture of historic architecture with contemporary design elements, such as neon signage and glass facades, highlights the seamless blend of old and new that defines Manchester's urban identity. Chinatown's colorful archway and illuminated streets offer another dimension to the night, with restaurants serving late-night delicacies that range from traditional dim sum to modern fusion dishes, their aromas mixing with the sounds of conversation and laughter, creating a multisensory experience that captures the city's cosmopolitan spirit, while nearby, bars and small lounges offer quieter retreats for those seeking a more intimate ambience, with soft lighting, comfortable seating, and curated music providing an alternative to the pulsating energy of the larger clubs. The dynamic interplay between streets, alleys, and public squares ensures that every step reveals something new, from pop-up performances and food stalls to architectural details and reflections of light on wet pavements, and the sensory tapestry of Manchester nightlife is further enriched by live music venues ranging from large-scale halls hosting world-class acts to intimate spaces showcasing emerging talent, ensuring that both casual visitors and dedicated night explorers are consistently engaged and entertained. Culinary experiences continue to complement the nightlife, with late-night eateries, street food vendors, and gourmet restaurants offering flavors from across the globe, while historic pubs anchor the experience in tradition, preserving the city's cultural identity through classic Alesh, local brews, and heritage decor. And as the night progresses, larger clubs ignite with energy, neon lights, and laser shows, dance floors filled with diverse crowds moving in synchrony to electronic beats, pop anthems, or indie rhythms, creating an immersive environment where music, movement, and atmosphere converge into a single electrifying experience. The social fabric of the city is as rich as its architecture and entertainment, with inclusive spaces that celebrate diversity across gender, sexuality, culture, and age, ensuring that every visitor can find a welcoming corner. And the rhythm of the night ebbs and flows from high-energy zones to quieter streets, canals, and terraces, offering moments of reflection, social connection, or simply appreciation of the city's beauty. Historic venues like the Britain's Protection provide continuity amidst change, where stories of past patrons, live performances, and traditional games maintain a tangible link to the city's heritage, and modern venues simultaneously push boundaries with creative cocktails, themed events, and innovative music programming, reflecting Manchester's ongoing evolution as a nightlife capital. The interplay of light, sound, people, and architecture throughout the city creates a living, breathing nocturnal tapestry. From neon reflections on canal waters and wet pavements to the mix of music spilling into streets, conversation blending with street performers' acts, and the ambient hum of vehicles and trams providing rhythm, while every district, from the bohemian northern quarter to upscale Spinningfields, bustling Portland Street, and inclusive Canal Street, offers unique energy, aesthetic, and experiences that collectively define the richness of Manchester's nightlife. As the night deepens, moments of calm along the canals, quiet terraces, and rooftop spaces allow visitors to absorb the vibrancy while reflecting on the cultural, architectural, and social diversity of the city, creating lasting memories of a city where every street, alley, and venue tells a story. Ultimately, Manchester nightlife is a complex, multi-sensory journey encompassing music, culture, history, architecture, gastronomy, human interaction, and urban energy. And exploring it fully allows one to appreciate how each element interacts to create a dynamic, immersive, and unforgettable nocturnal experience, a city that never truly sleeps and offers endless opportunities for discovery, connection, and celebration, making every night an adventure, every corner a story, and every sound, sight, and flavor part of a continuous, living narrative that defines the heartbeat of Manchester long after the last song fades and the streets begin to empty, leaving reflections of lights on pavements and canals as reminders of the city. Thank you for joining our Manchester Night Walk. From bustling streets to quiet hidden gems, we hope you enjoyed the city's pulse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more walks exploring neon streets, lively bars, and unforgettable moments that make